So the goal of this video is to show you how we go from this to that. Okay, so we had a big plumbing job where we had to essentially reroute our supply lines through the attic. So in repairing this drywall, what I noticed was for our gas line that comes into the house, there was a massive hole here, and this whole area was filled with mouse droppings, and you can see the mouse has, many mice have probably made a home in here in the past, couple decades. So what I'm going to show you is from the outside how we're going to try to cover that up without using spray foam, because I've seen in some forums people have actually rusted these gas lines with spray foam because they retain water, and that water will just sit on the pipe and corrode it. So we're just going to try to cover it from the outside, and I'll show you how to do that. So from the last shot you probably saw that the sunlight coming in through where the pipe is coming into our house. That's because we have a PVC pipe that holds that line. So what I'm going to do is I went out and bought a PVC cap, and I'm going to make cuts to this so that I can slip it over this line, and we are going to use silicone to caulk around there, just so that we don't have any more mice or roaches trying to enter our house. This shot shows me making cuts to the cap, and what you don't see is me going back and forth to the pipe location just to make sure that the cuts I'm making aren't so big that I cannot fill them in with silicone. And just like that, it goes right on. So now if you see around it, all we got to do is come back in and fill that in. Whoops. Fill these kind of spaces in with some silicone, and we should be good to go. Should keep the mice out. So just one last look underneath and on that side. Kind of see the work that's been done. And the last step, I'm just placing silicone around the gaps just so that I can seal it out from the environment. And that right there is the finished product. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments, and if you find it helpful, feel free to support the channel. All right, thanks. Bye.